Extreme Rail fan, Redwood Empire Corporation CEO, coming to you with a plea to try to donate to our GoFundMe and Zeffy donations. We have flyers going available on the main group, YouTube, all over. So come help us out. Let's get the Jane Marie home by next year. That's our goal, is to try to get it here by next year. So hopefully you'll be willing to help support us, and let's get the funds needed to get the Jane Marie home. If you haven't yet, check out the sponsors. HelloFresh. We have the QR code for Zeffy, but here's the stuff here. If you need to scan the QR code, there's one for GoFundMe, one for Zeffy. Scan that, and let's get ready for a test run of 111.